Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I will present about the task 1 for the basic on-off light switching program using OMRON CX-Supervisor without link it to any PLC program, software application, or connecting it to any PLC device. As a figure 2, when the switch will toggle to off, the red light will be displayed. Then when it was toggled to on, the green light will be displayed. So the procedure is open the OMRON CX-Supervisor software and create a new project file. So the next procedure is follow all the instruction given in section 2 basic tutorial of getting started instructions. So here at the page 11, the first step, it will teach how to design the traffic lights on off. So here the CX Supervisor simulations, when the switch will toggle to off, it will display the red light. Next, when it's toggled to the on switch, it will display the green light. Okay, next for the task 2, basic PLC SCADA programming using OMRON CX Programmer and CX Supervisor. So in this task, the PLC SCADA program will be consist of a start push button and a stop push button, and the output representing a motor on-off switching operation. So here we'll be link the CX programmer to the CX supervisor. So here my PLC programmer. So first, the normally close contact stop button, and then the normally open start button will be latching to the output motor, because we need to hold the start push button to make the motor continue rotating. So for the left side, we can see the CX supervisor simulation. So I will start it. So here the CX supervisor simulations. When you push the start push button, so the motor will be energized. So to stop it, we need to release the start push button, and then we need to push back the stop push button, and then the motor will be in the initial condition. So that's all for lab progress. Thank you. Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. Okay, today I would like to present the task 3 for the supervisory control and data acquisitions SCADA for the system 1. So for the task 3, I would like to present the first about the system operations of the car garage door system. Okay, at initial conditions, the car garage door is closed. So the second condition is when the system detects an approaching car, the door is lifted, means the door is open. So when the car is fully passes through the entrance, the door is lowered. This means the door garage will be closed. Next, the final operation of the system is, as for the car to exit from the garage, the door opening is activated using a different switch from the sides. Okay, so here is the figure that will be images in the system in SCADA system 1. So the ultrasonic sensor will be detects the presence of the car, and the photoelectric sensor will detect the last part of the edge of the car, the part of the car, and then the motor, the function of the motor is to make the door close and make the door opens. So the upper limit switch and the lower limit switch is the contacts that will be the contact switch in this program. So here the initial conditions of the whole circuits program in the CX programmer, which is the emergency. The standby button will be opens, will be energized at the initial condition, whereas the standby will be detects to the on contact that will be switch on the system, the whole system. So the off will be detect as the turn off button. So the gate system is when the switch button on. So the gate system will be energized, and when the car detection are energized, so the next is the motor reverse gate open. Will be makes the gate open. So here is the layer of the circuits that make the gate opens. So when it detect the car, the presence of car with the ultrasonic sensor, the gate will be opened. So here when the car passes, fully passes to get into the garage, and the photoelectric sensor will not detect the presence any of the car, it will make the gate close, and the lower limit switch will be energized. So here to make the ultrasonic sensor timer with the 20 seconds and the photo sensor for the 20 seconds, and here the upper limit switch to make the gate open, or to make the gate open for the 20 seconds. So after design the ladder diagram at the CX programmer software, next will be design the SCADA and the CX supervisor. So here how to run the we run with the CX simulator. So we need to wait supervisor runs program. So here when the CX supervisor will run, so we need to turn on the system first. We need to switch on the system, so the whole system already functional when the presence of the car is around the garage. Okay, first ultrasonic we must be on first. It means the car was around in the garage in the area range of the ultrasonics. So when the car are fully dropped in the garage, so the photoelectrics will be on, and then the limit upper limit switch will be, I'm sorry for the mistake. When the ultrasonics detect the presence of the car, then the upper limit switch will be energized. So we energize the upper limit switch. So here, as we can see, we need to wait for the 20 seconds to make the door of the garage opens. So when it fully opens, after the car goes inside the garage, so we need to energize the lower limit switch. Then the door of the garage will be closed. So thank you. So to energize the whole circuit in the CS programmer, we need to turn off, energize the off buttons, or will be push if any case of any emergency in the system occurred. We need to push the emergency button. So the standby circuits will be de-energized due to the emergency button were pressed. So thank you.